Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix black or white screen on your Instagram. If you are opening your Instagram and it's showing here black or white screen, then I will show you how can you fix this issue. For that, what you need to do is just simply go back, and firstly what you need to do is just simply check for update. Then you have to open Play Store, and from here you have to search for Instagram, and here you can see it's showing here open. If it's showing here update, then you have to update your Instagram, and after that close this page, go to settings, scroll it on, tap on app management, go to apps. You have to search for Instagram, and you have to tap on storage and cache, clear storage, go back, force stop the app. And after doing these steps, what you need to do is just simply open your Instagram and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply uninstall your Instagram app and then restart your phone and then reinstall your Instagram app. And after reinstalling, what you need to do is just simply convert your network to another one. If you are using mobile data, then you have to turn your network to Wi-Fi, and if you are using Wi-Fi, then what you need to do is just simply turn your connection to mobile data. And after doing this, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply open any browser in your phone, like I'm opening Google Chrome here. So after that, what you need to do is just simply search for Instagram plugin, and after that what you need to do is just simply tap on Instagram plugin. And let me tell you that in browser you don't be able to see black screen, okay guys. So after that, what you need to do is just simply tap on your profile here, and then what you need to do is just simply tap on settings, and from here you have to tap on report a problem, and here you have to explain about your problem and just simply take a screenshot of your problem, and you have to tap on add file, and from here you have to add your screenshot and then tap on send report, and after that your report will be sent to Instagram team and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.